If you're looking for boys' alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 boys' alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Bulb Botz. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Aitey. Number 3, by Bulb Botz. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Lego Watches and Clocks. Find these boys' alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Learnin. Number 7, by Lego Watches and Clocks. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Bulb Botz. Number 9. Discover more boys' alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Lego Watches and Clocks.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.